A lesser known feature inside of NetSupport Manager is the ability to print capture to a PDF file. Now, print capture redirects printer output from a local printer at the client to the printer, PDF, XPS document, or a file at the control. You would use this when running an application on a client but wanting any printed output redirected to the printer that is local to you, or to a file that you can then save and access later. You're going to need to open your control configuration settings. That's the gear that's found in the upper right-hand corner of Manager. And then go to your remote control settings. Select Print Capture. You'll need to enable print capture first and select how you want that to be done. If you want to capture it to a PDF document and also automatically print the document if possible, capture to a local printer, or capture to a specific file. Once you've set up those settings the way you need it to be done, go ahead and click OK. Now, when you are working with a client's device and you need a document on their machine to be printed, but you want it to come to you, you can utilize the print capture feature. Please note, in addition to enabling this option at the control, you also need to ensure the print capture is enabled in the client's configuration. Now, that privilege is enabled by default, but if your organization has shut that off, you're going to need to edit the client configurator to enable print capture. Now, why might you use this? Well, if I'm providing support to an end user and I need to print out documentation from their machine, such as test results or other content, I don't want to run all the way to where they're located, especially if I'm in another building, another city, another state, or another country. So by enabling this, you get the results directly to your device or to a file path of your choosing, bypassing unnecessary steps. Now, if you're using Manager to connect to your own remote PC, such as working from home and needing to connect to an office PC or vice versa, you may need to access documentation that saves locally on the machine and not in a cloud or SharePoint environment. So you can avoid having to open an email or a drive, upload, send, and multiple steps to access the document by simply choosing to print or save the item directly from your remote machine, the client, to your control device.